So, hi everyone, this is Subhash Karthik, your communication coach, and we are going to start our grammar session today. Today, our session topic is conditional sentences type 3. Conditional sentences type 3. Okay, those who are joining for the first time, welcome everyone. Today, our topic is conditional sentence type 3. Okay, now maybe some of you might be thinking, sir, that what is about the other types? Yeah, there are some type 0, type 1, type 2. Okay, so if you have missed those, I will be sharing in the recreation group. Okay, so please, if you are a new IDQN, if you have recently joined, please tell your grammar coach that they should give you the link of recreation club, because that everyone we are there and you will be getting all your links in your recreation club. Okay, so you will be getting your links of type 0, type 1, type 2. Okay, but today our topic is type 3. And the best part is all type 0, type 1, type 2, these all are different. So don't think that you have not attended type 0, 1, 2, you will not understand. No, it is not the case. This is a new module, that is conditional sentence type 3. Whatever the, what's your, any question, any query if you have, please write down in your copy and I will unmute you and then we can definitely talk. Okay, so let's begin. Conditional sentences type 3. Those who are for the first time they are doing this, I should tell you that conditional sentence kya hota hai. Conditional sentence means if this happens then that happens. Agar ye hota hai to ye hota hai, matlab there is a condition and there is a result. अगर मेरे पास 1 करोड़ रुपए होते, कंडीशन, दिस इज कंडीशन, तो मैं एक मर्सिडीज खरीदता. सो दिस इज अ रिजल्ट. सो कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस मींस देयर इज अ कंडीशन एंड देयर इज अ रिजल्ट. सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस वी कम टू सी. दो तरह के सेंटेंस हम लोग देखते हैं, एक होता है कंडीशन, एक होता है रिजल्ट. Okay, so now we are going to see type 3 and we will see what kind of conditions come in this type. And yes, I'll come to you, I'll talk to you, I'll give some instant question and you have to also answer. Okay, so welcome to type 3. Sometimes we say agar ye hota या अगर ये हुआ होता. I'm talking about past. I'm talking about past. अगर ये हुआ होता तो वो हो चुका होता, या मैं कर चुका होता, या मैं कर पाता, या ये हो सकता था. These kind of sentences we speak in type 3. अगर ये हुआ होता तो वो हो चुका होता, या तब वो कर पाता, या मैं कर पाता, या हो सकता था. Okay, don't worry if you're not understanding the sentence. We will do lot of practice today and hopefully by the end of this session you will feel you are better than what you are right now. Okay, so in English how we say these sentences: if I had done this, agar main ye kiya hota, I could have done that. तब मैं वो कर चुका होता, या मैं वो कर सकता था. I'll show you some more sentence and that will be more clear to you. But you can see the type of the sentence. The first sentence we are starting with, if I had done this. So had and done, this will be constant. Then I could have done that. So yeah, could have, yeah, would have, you can use in these kind of sentences. So this sentences talk about condition and results. So it talks about time and regret. Condition is hypothetical, not real, imaginary. So condition जो है वो imaginary situation की बात है, और result जो है वो बिल्कुल possible नहीं है. अब वो बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता. तो result not at all possible. Result not at all possible to happen. Okay, so guys, this type 3 is all about अगर ये होता तो वो हो चुका होता, या वो कर पाता, या वो हो सकता था. In English we say if I had done that, or if I had done this, I could have done that. যদি আমি এটা করতে পারতাম তাহলে এটা হতো, বা এটা আমি করতে পারতাম. So in Bengali I am also saying, so that if you are Bengali, this will help you definitely. Okay, but you will understand more. So guys, this type 3 sentence we speak when we talk about regret. Regret, अफसोस, काश, काश मैं कर पाता, काश, I wish I would have done that. কাশ मैं कर पा, কাশ আমি ওটা করতাম, তাকে শুনতাম, তার কাছে যেতাম, কাশ मैं उसके पास जा सकता, काश मैं ऐसा कर सकता. So many times we use these kind of sentences. Okay, imagination. एंड दोनों इमेजिनेशन आज के डेट में इम्पॉसिबल है. अब ये हकीकत नहीं होगा. दिस कैन नॉट बी इन रियलिटी राइट नाउ. सो नॉर्मली वी स्पीक दिस सेंटेंस when we speak any regret, when we regret for it, when we regret for it. Okay, now let's see some live sentences. अगर वो अच्छे से पढ़ाई करता वो डॉक्टर बन सकता था. যদি সে ভালো মতো পড়াশোনা করতো সে ডক্টর হতে পারতো. अगर वो अच्छे से पढ़ाई करता वो डॉक्टर बन सकता था. So if I come to you like Bindu Suku, can you try to answer this? Yeah.
If he had studied well, he would have become a doctor.
He would have become.
He would have become a doctor.
He would have become a doctor. Okay, okay. I want one more answer. Tanushree Bhattacharya, will you add something here?
If we are doing well, no.
I had already given you the formula. If I had done this, I could have done that.
Okay, okay, okay.
You cannot change the formula. You cannot change the format. Okay.
If he had if he had done
if he has done क्यों बोल रही है? Studied बोलिए.
Oh, if he had studied well,
yes, yes,
he could have done the doctor.
He could have done. Nahi, who could have become
a doctor.
So guys, the right sentence will be if he had studied well, he would have become a doctor. और यहाँ पे could have भी चलेगा. He could have become a doctor. Both can be possible. Okay, so could have or would have, both can be possible. He would have become a doctor or he could have become a doctor. Both are possible. Okay, so you can see in first sentence, it is had and then past participle. And in next sentence, it is would have and then past participle. You can understand the format and you're not going to change the format. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. अगर वो मुझे पहले खबर करती, अगर वो मुझे पहले खबर करती या बताती, मैं उसे मदद कर सकता था. যদি সে আমাকে আগে বলতো তাকে আমি সাহায্য করতে পারতাম. अगर वो मुझे पहले खबर करती या बताती, मैं उसे मदद कर सकता था. Yes, so Neeti Kumari, will you try? Yeah. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
If she had told me earlier, I would have helped her.
I would
Helped
have,
her.
or I could have helped her.
I could have helped her.
Okay. Let's go to Poonam Shukla. Poonam Shukla, would you like to add something?
Yeah. If she had informed me before, I could have helped her.
Okay. Very nice. Okay, let's go to Debolina Ghosh. Debolina Ghosh, you would like to add something here? Yeah, Debolina.
If she had told me before, I could have helped her.
Okay. You all are right, I would say. I'll come to everyone. Don't worry. There are many sentences. Okay, the more ideal sentence is right now on your screen. If she had informed me earlier, okay, I could have helped her. If she had informed me or told me भी ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, that is grammatically correct. So because we are starting the sentence with had and informed, means the past participle, and then we are using could have or would have and then past participle. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. So guys, these all sentences talk about regret. You know, ab nahi ho sakta. Now things are not possible. Okay, let's go for the next sentence and I'll come to you again. अगर वो प्रधानमंत्री होते 1947 में, वो ऐसे कभी नहीं करते. Yeah, Rakhi, will you add? Try.
Sir, if he had a Pradhan Mantri in 2000,
Had
in
के
1940.
बाद you are missing one verb.
Sorry.
You are missing one verb. होता.
Were.
एक verb missing है. Had के बाद एक और verb add होगा.
If he had worked in Pradhan Mantri in 1947.
प्रधानमंत्री क्या होता है? इंग्लिश में क्या होता है प्रधानमंत्री?
PM.
Prime Minister, right?
Pradhan Mantri, Prime Minister.
Yeah. So
if he had a Prime Minister in 1947.
okay.
ऐसा कभी नहीं करते. He could not
Could have, would have. ये तो होगा ही.
Could have not done this.
Okay, Rakhi, just a minute. Let's go to Shumona. Shumona, will you add something here?
Sir, if he had elected as a prime minister, he would not have done this.
He would not have done this, but elected is a different thing, you know. We are not talking about elected here. यहाँ पे we are talking about ज्योति से होते हो तो. So we are not talking कि उनको कोई select करता. We are talking about अगर वो होते. Okay, let's see. Let's go to Suman. You want to add something, Suman?
Yes, sir. If he had been a prime minister in 1947, he could have never done this.
Almost. If he had been, whenever you talk about hota, it's always he had been the PM in 1947, he would have never done this. वो कभी नहीं करते ऐसा. He would have never done this. If he had been the prime minister in 1947, he would have never done this. Just imagine if you have this formula, you just have to put this formula and you have to speak. यहाँ पे sentences, almost all the sentences, the verb formulas are same. The verbs which are being used are same. So we should not be confused here. Okay. Even, you know, even Jagruti, your sentence you have written very nice. I'm very happy with the sentence, but in this sentence, it is not about appointing. It's all about hote. So hote is a being. If he had been the prime minister in 1947, he would have never done this. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. So all the first sentence, jo if se jo sentence start hai, that is condition, and the next sentence is the result. One very important thing. So one sentence is the condition sentence and another sentence is the result sentence. We can always swap it. Okay, we can start with result and then we speak condition. That is also possible. We speak condition, then result. That is also possible. Okay, now let's see the next sentence. अगर मैं मैनेजर होता, मैं उसे कभी भी काम पर नहीं रखता. যদি আমি ম্যানেজার হতাম, আমি তাকে কাজে কখনোই রাখতাম না. Okay, so yes, so yeah, Tomali, you will try. Try fast. Your voice is not coming, Tomali. Yeah, again repeat.
If I had been the manager,
Okay.
I would have never appointed him.
I would have never appointed him. Okay, since good. Okay, Arpita Dev, you would like to say?
If I had become a manager,
See, it's not about become, it's about agar hota. Okay, so become se better ho. Yes, been is more appropriate. Been is more appropriate. Okay.
If I had been a manager, I could not.
আমি ওকে কাজে রাখতাম না.
I could never.
यहाँ पे would होगा because we are not talking about could. I would have
never input the work.
Input is not the right answer. Okay, rather we can say, okay, let's go to Sudha.
If I had been a manager, I would have never appointed him to work.
Absolutely right. Most of you are right. If I had been the manager, I wouldn't have appointed him. I wouldn't have appointed. So आप इसको would have never भी बोल सकते हैं या wouldn't have भी बोल सकते हैं. Both are right.
Okay.
I wouldn't have appointed him, or I would never have appointed him, or I would have never appointed him. All are right sentences. All are right sentences. Very good. Wonderful. So if I had been the manager, I wouldn't have appointed him. I wouldn't have appointed him. Very nice. Yep. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Very good, Rakhi. Your sentence is also very good. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Okay, so what exactly? Now I'll tell you the formula. What formula we are adding here? Very simple. We are starting with if, then we are adding past perfect. So this sentence is past perfect sentence, जहाँ पे आप had and past participle को use कर रहे हो. This sentence अगर आपने tense कभी किया है, so you must be knowing that it is called past perfect. It is past perfect. So sentence will start with if sentence में आप past perfect को use करोगे and you end the sentence with either would have or could have. आप would have से complete कर सकते हो या could have से complete कर सकते हो, but उसके बाद जो verb आएगा वो past participle होगा. So there will be three verbs in the second sentence. जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस होगा उसमें 2 वर्ब होगा, जो सेकंड सेंटेंस होगा, जो रिजल्ट होगा, दैट विल कैरी 3 verbs. That will carry 3 verbs. Okay. चलो आप लोग को तो फॉर्मूला पता चल ही गया. So now I'll ask you one sentence. Okay. So suppose if I say to Ramya. Okay, Ramya, your sentence, I'm just telling you a sentence. अगर मैं सेविंग कर पाता, okay, अगर मैं सेविंग कर पाता तो मैं एक फ्लैट खरीद सकता था.
If I had saved money, I would have bought a flat.
I would have bought a flat or I could have. मैं जब भी होता है ना कि मैं कर सकता था, we talked about could have. कर सकता था. Whenever you end a sentence with कर सकता था, you will always say could have.
Okay, I could have.
और अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि हो सकता था, then would have.
Okay.
हो सकता था would have, कर सकता था could have. This is very important. होते पारतो would have, करते पारताम could have. Okay, wonderful. Let's ask somebody else. Okay, Ekta Sharma. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your sentence is, अगर मैं IDQ में पहले ज्वाइन की होती तो आज मैं और अच्छा बोल सकती थी. कैसे बोलेंगे इसको? देखो ऐसे दिख रहा है ना कि कितना डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन है. नो, इफ यू नो कि मेरे को क्या वर्ब यूज करना है, इट इज इजी फॉर यू. टेल मी एकता.
ओके सर, अगर मैं IDQ में पहले ज्वाइन की होती,
तो उसका इंग्लिश हम कैसे बोलेंगे?
ओके, if I join,
if I had will come.
Okay.
If I had joined.
Okay, if I had
if I had joined
IDQ
before. Now the next sentence, I could have spoken
English.
I could have spoken better English.
Yeah.
See, आपके पास already verbs है, बस verb को add करना है, nothing else. Okay. 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 Like okay, Khushbu, I'm giving you one sentence to you. Khushbu, your sentence is, please listen this sentence.
Yes, sir.
अगर तुम टाइम पे लॉगिन करती, तुम इंट्रोडक्टरी लेक्चर को मिस नहीं करती.
अगर तुम टाइम पर लॉगिन नहीं करती.
नहीं, अगर तुम टाइम पे लॉगिन करती.
अगर तुम टाइम पे
लॉगिन करती, राइट.
If you had एक वर्ब लगाना होगा ना. If you had been log करती, if you had done login या if you had been login.
Okay. Next sentence.
If you
ठीक है बोलिए ना, don't worry.
Didn't login. Next क्या था?
Next sentence is, तुम इंट्रोडक्टरी लेक्चर को मिस नहीं करती. इंट्रोडक्टरी लेक्चर.
You could not have missed the introductory lecture.
Okay, very close. But first sentence is still okay. Nisha Khurana has written, if you had login timely, you wouldn't miss introductory lecture. No, Nisha
Two verbs should be there.
There should be 2 verbs. Yes, okay, Jagruti has written, if you had logged at a time.
If you had logged.
Okay. No, but the second sentence may be 3 verbs होंगे, but some people they are writing only 2 verbs. Okay, let's see. I think Menika has written if you would have login. नहीं, यहाँ पे गलती कर दिया because log is also a verb. So आप उसको वैसे नहीं लिख सकते. If you would have logged in time, then you would have not missed the introduction. Second is okay, Menka, but the first is not that right. Okay, if I come to you, suppose Ragini, can you tell the same sentence that अगर आप timely login कर पाती तो आप introductory session miss नहीं करती.
If you had been logged, not
नहीं,
missed.
बीन कब लगाओगे आप लोग? बीन तब लगाओगे जब आप कुछ
Okay, okay.
होने का बात कर रहे हो, कुछ होने का बात कर रहे हो. बट यहाँ पे तो हम करने की बात कर रहे हैं. Yeah, tell me, Ragini.
If you had done logged. No,
Okay,
sir.
थोड़ा कुछ गलत हो रहा है. आप लोग ना
Yeah,
second
sir,
वाली verb को
actually-
सही पकड़ नहीं रहे हो. Shahana Khan, you want to add something here?
Yeah, if you had logged on time.
Okay.
No.
Yeah. She's right. Logged. She had logged. Logged is a verb.
Logged on time. You would have never missed the class.
She would
But
have
sir, we
never
are
missed.
using three verbs, no?
3
first
verb in the
sentence.
next
But-
sentence. 2
Yes,
verb in the first
Okay,
sentence.
okay, sir.
Two verbs in the condition sentence. 3 verbs in a result sentence.
Yeah, sir. If you had logged, you could have not missed introductory session.
Okay. Let's see here.
Yeah.
I've mentioned here if you had logged in on time. If you had logged in on time, you wouldn't have missed the introductory lecture. You wouldn't have missed the introductory lecture. Very good. Some people have written very good. You know, guys, the best part of these sentences, ऐसे हिंदी में लगता है कि ये sentence कितना बड़ा होगा, you know, people get confused. But if you know कि मेरे को क्या verb use करना है, if I know which verb to be used, I think things will be easier for you. Any questions if you have, then you can ask me right now. Any question? Okay, let's ask, you know, जब भी हम सोच रहे हैं किसी को पूछेंगे गायब हो जाता है, you know, I don't know how and why. Okay, let's go. Okay, Meenakshi, suppose your sentence is अगर हम पहले से एसी को ऑन रख सकते तो अभी तक रूम और ज्यादा ठंडा हो सकता था. You know, sometimes we say that ऐसा, you know, अगर हम पहले से एसी को ऑन रख सकते थे, then अभी तक, by now, okay, अभी तक रूम काफी अच्छे से ठंडा हो सकता था. Yeah, Meenakshi, how will you say that?
If we
Yeah. You know, जब दूसरे लोग बोलते हैं, नहीं बोल पाते हैं ना, तो हमें लगता है कि हम बोल पाएंगे. जब हमारा टाइम आता है ना, हमें वो वर्ड ही नहीं मिलता. I don't know why. Yes,
Right.
Meenakshi, what happened?
Right.
Yeah. यहाँ पे first sentence will have had and the other verb.
If we had our AC on the time, then if we had
Okay.
Sir,
और अच्छे से प्लेस कर सकते हैं हम लोग. You try to write, Meenakshi. I'll come to Komal. Komal, will you add here?
What is the Hindi lines?
I said अगर हम AC को पहले से ऑन किए होते तो अभी तक रूम ठंडा हो जाता.
Sir, if we had switched on the AC before time, then room could have been chilled.
Room could have been chilled by now.
By now.
Right? Huh? This is also good. Good sentence. Okay. Okay. So fine. I believe you people are getting now that first sentence. Suppose this sentence you can see. If she had paid the installment on time, she could have saved her extra money. If she had paid the installment on time, she could have saved her extra money. उसे penalty नहीं देना पड़ता. So just imagine the first sentence will have two verbs, had and paid here. And then last sentence, the result sentence has three verbs, could have saved with three verbs. Okay, now the final countdown begins because we are going to take your quiz. Total marks is 10 and type 3 is going to be evaluated. Okay, quiz. But before quiz, if you have any question, you can ask right now. If you really want to ask. Okay, so yeah, Sarvat, you want to ask something?
Yes, sir. Sir, as you said, in this sentence, the first sentence has two verbs and the second sentence will be three verbs.
Yeah.
Like first sentence will be like condition and second will be the result.
Yeah, yes, but
you
sometimes
also
we
say
can
is that.
change it.
Yeah.
Sometimes we can say change. We can swipe it
Yeah,
also.
we can
Yeah.
swap also.
Swap
So
also.
when we are changing that result in the first sentence and the condition in the second sentence, then the verbs also will change or
No, it will be same. It will be same.
Okay.
Then it will be three verbs in the first sentence. That's the reason I should not say first and second. I should say in
Yes.
condition sentence, it will be two verbs. In result sentence, it will be three verbs.
yeah.
Yeah,
So when
okay.
if the first sentence becomes the result, then we have to use three verbs there.
Yes, absolutely. Result sentence will always have three verbs. Result sentence will always have three verbs.
Okay, sir.
So three verbs will be would have and then past participle, or could have and then past participle.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any more question before we get into the quiz? Sharmila.
Yes, sir. Sir, when will we put been?
बीन
Had
कब
been,
होगा जब हम
you
बोलेंगे
said
कि
that-
अगर मेरे पास अगर मैं अमीर होता, যদি আমি মানে धोनी होताम या होता,
If
कोई
I
चीज में
had
अगर आप
been rich.
या कोई भी चीज में अगर आप बोलना चाहते हो, अगर मैं होता, जैसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता, ओके, चीफ मिनिस्टर होता, रिच होता, सो होता में आपको बीन लगाना पड़ेगा. कोई भी चीज जब आप होते तो आपको बीन लगाना ही पड़ेगा, BEEN बीन.
Okay.
ठीक है? या एनी मोर क्वेश्चन? यस तनुश्री.
Sir, past sentence, condition sentence, had. Had is past tense.
Had is past, right? Past,
Okay.
it is called
Past-
past perfect.
Yes,
Past,
past and past perfect. Okay. And second sentence, result sentence, would have. So
would have or could have.
Could have. So have, why we write have? They are,
This is the
never-
format. You know,
No, I
hota, whenever we say hota, so there are two verbs which are working in that case. That is either would have or could have. It is called virtual past. It is called virtual past. Virtual past matlab हुआ नहीं, हो सकता था. It is called virtual past. Yeah.
They are never sit, would had, never sit.
No. It is always would have or could have.
Okay.
क्योंकि ऐसे भी तो would के बाद मदर फॉर्म बैठेगा तो had कहाँ से आएगा मैडम?
Okay.
राइट? सो would के बाद हमेशा have ही आएगा, चाहे
Okay,
कोई भी
sir.
सिचुएशन हो. एनी मोर क्वेश्चन? आप लोग हाथ ना तो ऐसे दिखाओ, दिखे ऐसे करके दिखाने से. या शिखा, I'll come to everyone, don't worry.
सर
शिखा.
अगर हम ऐसे बनाए, had I been manager, I wouldn't have appointed him. These are
हाँ, ऐसे भी हो सकता है.
okay.
या had I been, ऐसे भी हम लोग लिखते हैं had I been. मतलब हम लोग had को पहले से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद सब्जेक्ट पार्ट. सो दैट इज पॉसिबल, बट राइट नाउ अभी उस पे बात नहीं करेंगे because we will follow the rule. But
Yes.
yes, what, yeah, this is also possible. I had been के जगह had I been करके भी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं. Yeah, that is possible. Very good observation. Yes, Ragini, you want to ask something?
No, sir.
Okay,
Actually
fine.
cleared.
Okay. Khushbu.
Yes. Sir, we can instead of had, we can use were instead of had if I were
That is a different condition.
the Prime Minister.
In this conditional sentence, we
Oh.
should not. आप जो बोल रहे हो, that is a right
Okay,
sentence,
okay,
but
sir.
in condition 3, it is not possible. We are doing condition 3.
Okay, sir.
इसके बाद में ना जो हम लोग
Okay.
करेंगे वो होगा मिक्स कंडीशन. वहां पे हम लोग मिक्स कर सकते हैं. अभी हम लोग मिक्स नहीं करेंगे. This is 3. So, but your sentence is
Okay.
right, but not applicable for this case. Koel Dash.
Yes, sir. Sir, when
Yeah.
we use could or would, what is the difference of could and would?
See, would and could, it has a big lecture. You have to go through 2-3 lecture for would and could. So now I'm not talking about it. We'll have a separate session. Okay, हम लोग का अलग session होगा. Don't worry. In this case, we are using could have and then verb, would have and then a past participle. अभी बस इतना ही रखिए, ठीक है? जब हम लोग would could के बारे में और ज्यादा पढ़ेंगे, then we'll talk about that. ठीक है? So would could का ये जो है, ये एक बहुत important function है, condition 3. Yes, I think people are ready now. People are ready for the exam. And see, I just want to tell you that you are the student, you are the invigilator, you are the checker, you are everything. Okay, so you are going to write the exam, you are going to check the exam, you are going to see that हाथ कहीं Google में जाके check ना करने जाएं आप लोग, right? You have to be very honest. एक word आपने मेरे जबान में सुना होगा. I always use integrity, the word integrity. You know, do right whatever it happens. मैं fail कर जाऊं फिर भी मैं सही रहूंगी या सही रहूंगा. Okay, so that is very much important. So I want that be honest and do your best, and God will do the rest. Okay, so let's go ahead. Out of 10, I expect at least. नहीं, मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, नहीं तो सब वही नंबर बोलेंगे. Okay, I hope you do good. And the first sentence coming on your screen, but please do not write in the chat box. You will write your answer in your copy. If you want to write down the sentence, that is your choice. You can, or you want to take a snapshot, you can take the snapshot. So I'm not getting into that. Okay, let's go ahead. The first sentence coming on your screen. You just have to find out this is a right sentence or wrong sentence. So if you don't write in the chat box, it is your answer. You write in your copy what you feel. Is this sentence right or not? If it is wrong, then what will be the right sentence? If it is right, then it is good. Very nice. Okay, so let's go and ask someone. ऐसी मन कर रहा है किसी से पूछने का, is it a right sentence or not? Okay, let's go to and please जिसको मैं पूछूंगा उसको reason बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just tell it is right or not. Okay, so let's ask. Yeah, Manisha is raising hand. Manisha, what do you think? It is a right sentence or wrong?
It's right, sir.
Okay, done. So Manisha is telling it is right sentence. Okay, let's Momita. Momita, what do you think? Is this sentence right or not?
Right, sir.
It is a right sentence. Okay. Okay. Poonam, it is a right sentence or not?
Sir, wrong.
Okay, अब मजा आएगा. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं अभी. Let's go for the number 2. You know, मजा आता है when some people they say right, some people they say wrong. तब लगता है कि कितने अच्छे से मैं पढ़ा सकता हूँ लोगों को. After teaching for half an hour, some people are saying right, some people are saying wrong. Okay, let's go to the second sentence. Don't worry, I'll try to reach more people here. But please don't write in the chat box. Let's go to the next sentence. Yeah, is this sentence right or not? Please, you try to find it out. Okay, let's see somebody. Let me ask somebody. Okay. Yeah, Ragini, what do you think? Is it a right sentence or wrong?
Sir, it's a right sentence, but I'm confused with
But
perceiver.
no if no but, no if no but. Okay, let's go to Niti Kumari. Niti Kumari, is it a right sentence or not?
Procedure.
Please बोलिए wrong. Please बोलिए wrong. Wrong. I want कि आप wrong बोले इसको.
Sir,
Yes.
I don't know the participle of past
आप वो
participle.
सब छोड़िए, आप अंदर मत घुसिए. You just have to say right or wrong. Yeah, tell me right or wrong.
It's right according to the formula, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's go to Suman.
Sir, it's wrong.
It's wrong. Okay, very good. हमको ऐसे ही चाहिए. हर question में एक right, एक wrong. Okay, let's go to the next question now. Okay, now I will give, there are two verbs are given, understand and make. Okay, there are two verbs are mentioned, understand and make, and I'll give you a blank and you have to fill the blank with the right verb. Okay, यहाँ पे मैं नहीं आऊँगा आपके पास, so you do it by yourself. You just write down the right verb in the right blank. If I had not dash any facetious comment on her, I could have dash her emotions more easily. I'm not asking right now, because I don't want anybody to guess the answer. So let's go ahead and please don't write in the chat box also. I'll come to you, don't worry. I'll come to you when I'll be discussing the answers, then I'll come to you. Okay, so I believe you have already mentioned, you must have written the answer. Let's go to number 4. The number 4 is again the same, fill in the blanks. This time, अच्छा यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा word तो नहीं है, नहीं, ठीक है. This time the verbs are succumb. Succumb, this is a verb, and the next verb is have. Next verb is have. Those who don't know the meaning of succumb मतलब होता है तड़पना, बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाना. That is called succumb. Okay, অনেক কষ্ট, succumb, that is. Okay, let's see the sentence, and yes, with blank. Okay, so I believe you have done that. Now let's go for number 5. Fill the blank with correct form of verb. Okay, so let's go to number 5 question. This time there are two verbs. One is no and one is sass. Okay, sass. Sass is a verb, and the meaning of the verb sass is talking rudely. Talking rudely. The meaning of sass is talking rudely. Okay, and the sentence is right now here. If he had dash the importance of right communication, he wouldn't have dash to me like this. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's go for number 6. Number 6 is, okay, is this sentence right or not? ओके यहाँ पे अगर कोई वर्ड की मीनिंग आपको नहीं पता हो, सपोज द वर्ड इज इवेनिसेंट. इवेनिसेंट, the meaning of evanescent is any feeling which fades away so fast. Any feeling which fades away, मतलब कोई भी feelings जो बहुत जल्दी चला जाता है, कोनो feeling যেটা খুব জলদি চলে যায়. Okay, if I had not made my anger evanescent, I could have lost many relationships in my life. Okay, so yeah, Nobonita, what do you think? Is this sentence right or not?
Right, sir.
Right. Okay. Is there anyone who feels it is wrong? Okay, let's see. This time I have tried to make the questions more easy for you so that you can answer and score more. Okay, let's go for number 7. So we are left with only 4 questions. Number 7. Is it a right sentence or not? She would have definitely became a gregarious lady if she had not faced atrocious and excruciating times during her childhood. इसमें meanings मैं बता देता हूँ. Gregarious. The meaning of gregarious means very friendly. Gregarious मतलब होता है बहुत friendly. She is very friendly. Okay, gregarious. That is called friendly. Atrocious. Atrocious का मतलब होता है बहुत ही खराब. Extreme bad. Extreme bad. Excruciating का मतलब होता है tremendous painful. बहुत pain. दर्दनाक. You know, बहुत painful. Excruciating. And बाकी तो आप लोगों को पता ही होगा. She would have definitely become a gregarious lady if she had not faced. So now you can see in this sentence, result is first and then the condition. This sentence I have mentioned result as a first sentence and condition as a second sentence. So yeah, Bharti Oza, can you tell me this sentence is right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Very good. Okay, let's go to Chandana. Chandana, what do you feel? Is this sentence right or not?
Right, sir.
Wow, awesome. Sharmila Sen, you are raising hand.
Yes, sir. It is wrong sentence.
Very good. Okay. Chalo. एक right, एक wrong हो गया. Now let's go to the second, number 8. कितना expectations है ना, हम लोग confidently बोलते हैं it is right, and after that if somebody says it is wrong, सारा confidence zero हो जाता है ना. We don't understand, क्या गलती किया मैंने, sometimes we feel so, yes, we become so confident, people are answering very confidently, and after that, कोई दूसरा बोल दे it is right, wrong, अब ये पता नहीं चलता कि मैं right हूँ कि वो right है. Okay. If we know the formula, we will never do mistake. If we know the verbs, we'll never do mistake. Yeah, let's go to number 8. Okay, this time you have 2 verbs. The first verb is take and the next verb is came. And the sentence is, if she had dash this minuscule matter adroitly, she could have dash out from her anxieties. इसको अच्छे से समझने की कोशिश करें इस सेंटेंस को. Minuscule means बहुत छोटा. Minuscule बहुत छोटो. Adroitly मतलब बहुत smartly, बहुत skillfully. Adroitly बहुत skillfully, बहुत अच्छे से, adroitly बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत skillfully. she could have dashed out from her anxieties. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's go for number 9. Number 9 is, okay, now you have two verbs. One is be and one is cling. Cling. Cling matlab koi cheez ko pakad ke rehna. Cling. Okay, cling means you are holding something tight. आप बहुत tightly कोई चीज को पकड़ के रखे हो. That is called cling. Okay, so you are learning many new words. Some people are repeating some words which they have learned. Okay, now cling. Cling means you are holding something very tightly. Okay, now see the sentence. If he had not dash so maudlin in her professional life, she could have dash to her bright career. अच्छा, यहाँ पे ना एक छोटा सा गलती हो गया. यहाँ पे he had not है, तो यहाँ पे ये यहाँ पे भी he ही होगा. Sorry, he could have not, he could have, okay, to his. Okay, so it will be his only. Sorry for the small thing. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, maudlin. The meaning of maudlin is very sentimental. Sentimental people, you know, maudlin. Maudlin मतलब बहुत sentimental. थोड़े में रो देती है या रो देता है. You know, very sentimental person. We call it maudlin. So if he had not so maudlin in her professional life, अगर वो अपने professional life में maudlin नहीं होती, तो होता, sorry, होता, then he could have dash to his bright career. Okay, so let's go for the last question. I hope you people have gone through a wonderful test today, and the last sentence which is coming on your screen. बहुत अच्छा sentence है ये. Yeah. You have to find out this is wrong or right. If he had showed his integrity in his job, his bright career wouldn't turn into a fiasco. बहुत अच्छा sentence है ये. We should know this. If he had showed his integrity, so integrity means doing what is right. जो सही है वही चीज को कर पाना, that is called integrity. Or turned into fiasco. Fiasco means total failure. Total failure. पूरा fail हो जाना. Okay, so sentence is very nice sentence. If he had showed his integrity in his job, his bright career wouldn't turn into a fiasco. बहुत अच्छा sentence है ये. And fiasco means failure. उसका अगर वो सही करता तो उसका future failure नहीं होता. The meaning is this. So I will come to you and to know is it a right sentence or not. Okay, so let's किससे पूछे यार. Ritu Chakraborty today, not raising hands, very inactive today. Yeah, Ritu, everything is fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you tell me, is this sentence right or not according to you? According to conditional 3, it is a right sentence or not?
Right, sir.
Right, very good, wonderful. I need one more wrong. Okay, okay, Chandana, for wrong or right?
Wrong, sir.
Ah, very good, very good. I love this. Okay, now let's go to Sumona. Sumona, what do you think?
Sir, wrong, sir.
Okay, awesome. Ekta Sharma plan की थी ना, हम right बोलेंगे. अब wrong, yeah, Ekta, it is a right or wrong?
Sir, right.
Ah, very good. Okay, let's go to Rekha ji. Rekha ji, हम unmute कर रहे हैं, आप mute कर रहे हैं. Yeah, go ahead.
Right, sir, right.
Very good. Okay, let's go to Momita.
Wrong, sir.
Ah, yes, awesome. Yeah, Menka, you are not raising hand. Yeah, Menka, what do you think?
I find it correct, sir.
You find it correct. Absolutely. अब मजा आएगा. Mamta is raising hand. I'm very happy to see Mamta raising hand. Yeah, tell me Mamta, आप जो बोलोगी उसी को final करेंगे. बता दीजिए.
Sir, wrong.
चलो final wrong. Okay. और कोई हाथ? या Meenakshi is raising hand. Yeah, Meenakshi.
Sir, wrong.
Okay, wrong. अभी wrong का trend है. Okay, now I think it is done now. Now we'll go for the answers. और आप लोग ने जो आज किया है मुझे लग रहा है कि आप लोग को 5-6 भी मिल जाए तो बहुत अच्छा है out of 10, but I am very hopeful कि आप लोग में कुछ लोग you know some people will definitely get 8. 10 का मेरे को आज थोड़ा सा कम लग रहा है, but some people are there, they can make it. Okay, so let's go ahead and discuss the answer one by one, and let's go for the first sentence. The first sentence is, yes, if she had wore jeans or salwar, she could have felt more ease or easy, comfortable, more ease on bike. So guys, this is a wrong sentence. It is a wrong sentence because after had, it is wore. Wore is a past. But we need past participle. So right sentence is, if she had worn jeans or salwar, then she could have had felt more ease on bike. Okay. So if you would have, okay, if you had gone through verb family, you could have scored this, you know, more easily. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Next sentence is wrong. If you had taken right decisions in your life, you could have persevered for your dream career. This sentence is wrong sentence. The right sentence, यहाँ पे एक ही problem है, that is persevere. Could have persevered. ED लगेगा, वो past participle है. That will be past participle. If you had taken right decisions in your life, you could have persevered for your dream career. Very good. Let's go for number 3. Number 3 is this. Fill the blanks with understand and make. So this was the sentence. अच्छा, very important thing. अगर दोनों में एक भी गलती हुआ, पूरा कट, आधा मार्क्स नहीं देना है अपने आप को, ठीक है? Fine. Let's go for the right answer.
Not made.
If I had not made any facetious comment on her, I could have understood her emotions more easily. कुछ लोग ऐसे हंस रहे हैं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा गलती के लिए हंस रहे हैं कि सही के लिए हंस रहे हैं. Okay, let's go ahead for the next sentence. So guys, had, after had it is made. Made is a past participle, and understood it is a past participle. Okay, let's go for this. It's a wonderful sentence. That is, if he had got, okay, so this will be, ये तो easy होना चाहिए था आपके लिए, because यहाँ पे had तो बैठेगा ही, because you know that in this condition the first verb will be had and the next will be past participle, so it will be succumbed. Ed will be added there. Succumbed. Succumbed matlab, you know, went through lot of you know, you could not resist. Okay, now let's go for number 5. Number 5 was no and sass. The sentence was this. The right answer according to type 3 is, if he had known. If he had known. Known is the past participle of know. And sassed. Sassed is the past participle of sass. Okay. पता है दुख का जो हंसी होता है, जो खुशी का हंसी होता है, दोनों में बहुत डिफरेंस होता है. You know, when you are happy and you smile, no, you smile up, your teeth looks so shining, and you know when you आप दुख में होते हो ना, तो आपका teeth दिखता ही नहीं है कभी कभी. Okay, let's go for the next one. The next one is this. Yeah. So if I had not made my anger evanescent, I could have lost many relationships in my life. This sentence is. आपका face देख रहे हैं अभी हम.
Right.
Okay, this sentence is absolutely right.
Right.
This sentence is absolutely right. Okay. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Okay, number 5. अगर आपको number 5 का आंसर चाहिए, number 5 का आंसर है known and sassed. Okay, known and sassed. Okay, number 6 we have already done. Now let's go to number 7. Number 7. If she would have definitely, you know, she would have definitely became a gregarious lady. She had not faced atrocious and excruciating times during her childhood. Okay, this sentence. अच्छा, किसको लगता है ये सही है? Please raise your hand. If you feel this is a right sentence, you raise your hand. I want to see some, you know, असली वाला हाथ, digital hand नहीं है. Okay. Oh, many people are raising hands. Many people are raising hand. My God. Some people are not raising. It is a wrong sentence.
Oh God, that's right. If
Yeah.
she would have definitely, she would have definitely.
Oh.
Why wrong, sir?
Yeah, Rekha ji, it is wrong. You know why?
I don't understand, sir.
Because became नहीं होगा, become होगा. Become, have के बाद past participle, become. Become is the past participle. Became is past.
Yes, yes, yes.
Became is past. कुछ लोग ना तुक्के में right wrong कर रहे हैं, तो उनको मैं ज्यादा help नहीं कर सकता. So एक right है तो next वाला wrong होगा, एक wrong है तो उसके बाद वाला right होगा. मतलब ऐसे अगर आप चल रहे तो it will not solve your purpose. Okay, so yes, this is wrong because become is past participle and have के बाद हमें past participle चाहिए यहाँ पे. So it was became in the question. So become is the right answer. बाकी सब ठीक है. Okay, let's go for question number 8. This time we have take and came. And let's see the answer now. If she had das minuscule matter. Okay, the right words which will be sitting here. Taken and come. Taken and come. कुछ लोग came लिखे हैं, उनको मैं बोल देता हूँ, वो लोग please 0 लिखें अपने आंसर में.
Come.
Okay, come. Okay, so we are left with only 2 answers. So number 9 is coming on your screen now. Excruciating का मतलब होता है बहुत painful, बहुत painful. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा painful. Okay, let's go for number 9. Number 9 was be and cling. Be and cling. But I want to go to somebody who can tell me the answer.
Clinch.
Okay, let's go to Tomali. Tomali, you want to answer?
Cling.
If he had not been so maudlin in his performance, in his personal life, he could have clinged to his bright career.
What was the could have के बाद आपने कौन सा verb लगाया है?
Clinched.
Clinched. Okay, 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 okay. Clinched. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's go to Debo. Priya, you want to speak something?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
What do you think? What will be the right sentence?
If he had not been so modeling in her professional life, he could have clung to her bright career.
Okay, so he could have clung to his bright
Yeah.
career.
Cling, present tense.
Present
Cling.
क्यों होगा? अब have है तो have के बाद तो past participle होगा. Cling तो नहीं होगा. Have है तो have के बाद present past participle होगा. Yeah, Sharmila, you want to say something?
Cling.
Sir, clung.
Clung. Okay, let's see the answer here. Been is the right answer and clung is the right answer. Clung is the past participle of cling. Clung is the past participle of cling. Very good, Sharmila. Wonderful. Very nice. Okay, now we are left with the last question. Yes, is this sentence right or not? So who thinks it is right sentence? Please raise your hand. Right wale sare.
Sure.
इस पर लोग ज्यादा नहीं दिख रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्यों. कुछ लोग तो कैमरा बंद कर दिए हैं. ना राइट बोलेंगे ना रॉन्ग बोलेंगे. Okay.
Sir, wrong sentence.
So why do you think it is wrong?
Sir, would not have.
Would not
Here
have.
is not have.
अच्छा have नहीं है बोल के.
Yes, yes,
तो
sir.
आपको दिख गया फिर वो. It is a wrong sentence absolutely because there is no have here.
Yes.
Wouldn't have turned into fiasco. If he had shown his integrity in his job, his bright career wouldn't have turned into a fiasco. Wouldn't have turned. Wouldn't have turned. आज का marks दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. Some people got 10. My God, double check करना पड़ेगा उनका मेरे को. Okay, some people, yeah, 6, 7. 6, 7 is anyway, it is good marks. Okay, some, you know, Kash, I could check your copy, you know. Okay, very good, wonderful, very nice. My God, some people, they have got, okay, whatever. Okay, Shivani got 10, my God. But आज का थोड़ा सा you know dicey था, कुछ confusions था, hard नहीं बोलूंगा, but there was some confusion areas. Very nice, Lakshman, Nilanjana, very nice. 7 is anyway, it is a good score. 7. Okay, it's a good score. Very nice. आज minus mark देना भूल ही गया. You know, I forgot to tell you that there should be a minus mark. और मजा आता, you know. But anyway, it was a lovely session and we have got, we understood this. So next Tuesday, we will go for the last conditional sentence and that is called mixed. So we can now mix with 0, 1, 2, 3. We can mix and we can speak the sentence also.